circle is divided into parts, which is equivalent to the percentage of the amount from the total. So the total will be 100%, which will be the whole circle. Then 50% will be half, 1% will be 1 by 100th of the circle, and so on. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make a real simple pie chart in Python. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to be doing is importing matplotlib as PLT. Then after that, we want to import numpy as np. Okay. Then after that, the next thing that I want to do is first get an array. So y is equal to np dot array of, let's say, we have to put in let's say first will be 20% of the circle, then we want 0.5%, then we want let's say 30.5%. then after that we can get 40% and then 9%. So we can have these values, just put in the array, 40%, then 0.9%. Yeah, there we go. So we can just put in the arrays over here, every value in here. Then the next thing we can do is add in my labels is equal to okay, let's put in how many apples people eat in a day to how many, let's say, bananas people eat in a day. Then one of my most favorite is a guava, so let's put in guava. Then after that, let's put in a pineapple. So we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have pineapple. Then the last thing we can do is add in, let's say, cherry, and there we go. We now have the labels and the percentage of how the circle is going to be taking up. Now after that, we are going to be adding plc.py is y, then labels is equal to my labels. Okay, then the last thing I want to do is plt.show, and with just 8 lines of code you can get what's the error over here? Oh, I forgot to add .pyplot right over here. So it should be matplotlib.pyplot, and then after that, if I run this, you can see that we have a pie chart of the guava. This tiny percent is for the bananas, this tiny percent is for the apples, and then let's just zoom in like that. See, okay, yeah, let's just zoom in. Yeah, so you can see that this is a simple pie chart made in Python. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, Dipansh